Hello guys, how are you? Uh, Today we'll be looking into the problem find and replace pattern. So let's go to the problem. Given a list of strings, words, and a string pattern, return a list of words of I that match the pattern. You may return the answer in any order. So what they have given is they have given a list of words and a pattern, and we need to, based on this pattern, we need to compare with each of the words and see if the pattern matches the same, and we need to return the same. Say here if we have seen like ABB, and if you compare it here, we can see that it is ABC. See, AB is a different word, a different character, and it's matching here. But in this place, it should be if this pattern should match to this. Sorry. So if this word should match with this pattern, then here also it should be a B. So let's take another example. Here it is showing MEE. So we can compare with this pattern with here. Let A be replacement of M and B replacement of E. Then again E is coming, which is similar to B. So this pattern matches with this one. So let's go to the solution. So first we need to get each word of the words in the words list. Word and words. And then we need to check if the length of the each word is greater than or lesser than the pattern, then it won't be a match. So we need to return a statement that if length of word is greater than length of pattern, or less than length of pattern, then return a continue. To solve this to solve this problem, we need to associate each pattern with a character in the word. So we check if the character and pattern is already saved. So guys, to solve this problem, we are going to create a dictionary. Pattern dict is equal to, in this dictionary we are going to store, for each character in the pattern we are going to associate with each character in the word. And now we are going to associate the first character in the pattern with the first character in the word. So if so if pattern of I not in pattern dict, then pattern dict of pattern of I is equal to word of I. Else, so if the character in the pattern is not in the pattern dictionary, then we are going to add that pattern character associate, and we're going to associate with the word of I. Say hash pattern of A is equal to word of I. We're going to associate each character with the pattern. Then, so if the character in the pattern is already in the dictionary, then we are going to compare that pattern character with the word that is here. If pattern dict of pattern of I not equal to word of I, then let's create a boolean equal to false. True. And then we put a break. So now if the pattern is not matching along with the word, then it will actually then the boolean is break will be true and will come out, and we are going to check if is break is equal to true is equal to false, then we're going to append uh, this word to the result. Let's create an result. Break to true. So this solves most of the problem. So here you can see this is a special case which I was talking about. Say if the pattern is ABB and the word is CCC, then while assigning the characters with the pattern to the word, wrongly it will take the last word character in the word C as a new pattern dictionary. So let's create a word dictionary. So first we are going to create a word dictionary, and then we are going to add a condition if word of I not in word dict, then this new pattern the new pattern character should be added and associated with the word character. Then we are going to add the word character in the word dictionary. We are just mentioning that this character is this word character is already added in the with the and associated with the pattern character. So word dict dot append of word of 5. So guys, this should work for all the cases. I forgot to uh, add result, returning the result. This should be correct. So we have another problem. Break is equal to true, and we're going to break it. Now it is accepted, and we can give a submit and see. Yeah, it's working. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. Until next problem.